clap your hands too. That's right. Now back in the old days, tight like a fighter, used to hang with the devil in the broad daylight. We had on brute, a walk on bound, till we had on bro, what kind of falling out. Show me the low, show me the down, called it the heavy lowdown. Used to rock some tunes with a guy named Lloyd. Lloyd still got them Polaroids. Broad daylight, broad daylight. Stop climaxing, you got your fight. Leaving him alone in that broad daylight. He might get it on its own instead of building a throne out of worn-out razors. I get you shaking, you can't find this plight. You got your skin of ghosts in the dead of night. Why you're making up stories, trying to make it okay? And we're bringing them in, go let them out and play. Bring the broad day, broad daylight. Broad daylight, broad daylight, broad daylight. Please don't leave me alone. Leave me alone in that broad daylight. What? Sing it. Broad daylight, I need something of my own. I need a throne, not them razors. Can you see the eyes streaming Hollywood burn? You really wanna stop it and watch it burn? Cause this should be going on until it's not. And then a little more. Come on. Daylight, go ahead. Broad daylight, broad daylight, broad daylight. Please don't leave me alone. Leave me alone in that broad daylight. What? Muchas gracias. Qué chévere.